Hi everyone, welcome to Nippon Spoon. On this channel, I share halal-friendly Japanese home cooking recipes. Today, I'm making halal-friendly beef udon. It's udon topped with sweet and savory simmered beef. The ingredients and steps are very simple. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This recipe makes 2 servings. First, I've prepared halal thinly sliced beef. I recommend beef with a bit of marine, as the fat adds sweetness and umami and keeps the meat tender even after cooking. This is a nub of ginger. I'll julienne the ginger. We'll add it when cooking the beef. It helps remove any odor from the meat and adds a nice ginger aroma. Next, green onions. I'll slice them thinly. Use as much as you like. We'll use them as a topping at the very end. They add color, a fresh aroma, and a nice texture, making the dish even more delicious. Next, udon noodles. This time, I prepared frozen udon, but you can use frozen, fresh, or dried noodles, whatever you have or prefer. Now, let's start cooking. First, we'll simmer the beef. Heat a pan over medium heat and add some beef fat. I had some on hand, so I'm using it, but you can use any cooking oil. Once the pan is hot, add the beef. Then sprinkle 1 tablespoon of sugar directly over the meat. Toss it quickly to coat the beef evenly. Adding the sugar first helps the meat absorb sweetness and keeps it tender during cooking. Next, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of water, and the julienned ginger. Let it simmer while stirring. Normally, mirin is added as well, but this time we'll use sugar for sweetness. I cooked for about 4 minutes in total. Once it looks like this, the beef is ready. Remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. This allows the flavors to soak in. Next, we'll make the udon broth. In a pot, add 2 cups of dashi. I recommend making it slightly stronger, as it pairs well with udon. Then, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 teaspoons of sugar, and heat over medium. There's no need to bring it to a boil. Just heat it until the sugar dissolves and the broth is warmed through. At this point, give it a taste and adjust it to your preference. That's it for the udon broth. Now, let's prepare the udon. I'll heat the frozen udon in the microwave for 3 minutes. Please prepare your noodles according to the type you are using. The udon is now heated. Now, let's assemble the dish. Place the udon in a bowl and top it with the beef. Pour over the broth, then finish with as much green onion as you like. Now, halal-friendly beef udon is ready. The beef is tender and full of flavor. and it pairs perfectly with the smooth, chewy udon. The dashi rich broth brings everything together. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.